If you're having any problems or difficulties with your pump here in relation to the Dominator, I'll just show you a few simple tricks to help you solve the issue. One of the very first things you need to make absolutely sure of is that this blue valve is open. Right now, as you can see, it's closed, and now it's open. It should always remain open, because it could simply be that you just forgot to open it. If it's open and there's still no water coming out of the pump, here's my recommendation. Take off the pump tube and just pour a little water in so you can see. I'll just move this. There we go, the bottom filter. Then I'll pour a bit of water in so the pump has something to work with. Like that. The very first thing you need to do is to carefully open the valve, making sure it is fully open. Next, you take your cooling hose, the one you'll be using specifically for your chillers. Pick it up and then gently put it down into the pump tube, ensuring it is properly positioned. After that, you turn on the water, making sure that it's at full blast so the flow is strong and steady. Do it exactly like this. Just briefly, 1 to 2 seconds is all you need. That's it. Sometimes seeds and other small things can come up. Now the pump is running in the opposite direction. At this point we have some water in the system. The first thing you should do is check it carefully. Put the pump tube back on securely and then turn on the pump again. If that's still not enough, if the pump still isn't running, there's one more trick you can try. I'll show you that in just a moment. For now, I'll just pour the water out. And then you turn your unit upside down, then you disconnect the two hoses. They just have clamps, so it's pretty easy. Squeeze them together, and then you can simply pull off the silicone hose like this. And you do the same on that one. Then you unscrew the 4 screws, and then you check if there's any dirt stuck that you couldn't rinse out. Then you put it back together. And remember to put these hoses back on, making sure that each one is attached to its correct place. Also, be sure to put these clamps back on as well, ensuring they are properly tightened to hold the hoses firmly. If that still does not help resolve the issue, just contact Brewolution.